Welcome to the Dr. Rcraft CSS image gallery tutorial. Image galleries can be added to a website easily just using basic CSS1 and 2. You can see that each of these boxes has an image and a description of the image. And if we click on one of these images, you can see we get linked to a new page which has a larger version of that image. Now let's take a look at the code that makes the image gallery look like the way that was shown before. So for now we are going to remove all of these styles so we can start over and see exactly how it works. So now you can see we have removed the styles and now we have a bunch of unstyled div elements. So let's add some of these styles. So we set the width to 130 pixels and the height to 150 pixels. That way all div elements inside of the div element are contained properly. And so now let's add a border. So now let's add some margin and padding so that they're spaced a little better. And let's center align the content and flow all of these next to each other. So now for the images, let's add some margin to them since they're a little bit too close to the top. Now let's style the description text. So we'll start by center aligning the description text and give it a fixed width of 120 pixels and also some margin since we want it to be perfectly centered. And for us to clearly be able to see what image we're selecting, we need to give some highlighting. I'm going to edit the selector since I want to style when the image container is hovered and not when just the image is hovered. So it's as simple as setting the background color something like white cyan. And now we can clearly see what image is being selected here. This concludes the CSS image gallery tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.